I'm Akanksha from Labels and Labeling team, and I'm here at Labelexpo Americas 2024 on the UPM stand with Anna. How are you doing, Anna?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm Anna Hunt with UPM Raflatac, and I'm the Director of Marketing, Sustainability, and Communications, and I'm really happy to be here. Thank you for joining us.
Great. So would you like to start by talking a little about the products that you're focusing on at the show?
Well, here at Labelexpo, we are very focused on showcasing our products that enable brands and our customers to make a sustainability impact. Specifically, we are profiling and showcasing our Carbon Action sustainability products portfolio, which are filmic products that are enabling companies to reduce their carbon footprint. So really make an impact in terms of lowering that carbon footprint of their packaging.
And would you like to comment on some of the trends that you've been seeing or trends that we can expect to see in the future?
Well, definitely sustainability is a big trend, of course. I think most companies here recognize the importance of bringing more sustainable packaging solutions and technology solutions to the market. RFID is also a big trend, and be it that our customers are themselves providing RFID solutions, or there are new companies that are bringing those solutions. So as UPM Raflatac, we enable our customers to enter the RFID space with some complementary solutions. And of course, on the sustainability front, we have a whole portfolio of products that enable companies to reduce the amount of packaging, and by having labeled products with reduced materials, and then also labeling products made out of renewable materials or ones that enable recycling and have recycled content.
And lastly, would you like to comment on sustainability legislations that are coming up and how the industry can better prepare for them?
Of course, that's a great question. There is a lot of changes when it comes to the legislative landscape. A lot of companies or a lot of states are passing extended producer responsibility legislation, which is really important in California and Colorado, Maine, Oregon. I mean, even lots more are actually proposing these laws, and that is extending the manufacturer's responsibility for their product packaging to the end of life. So companies and brands specifically really need solutions to help them address how are they going to comply with these laws. And these were first passed in Europe. In Europe now there are laws coming out for digital different product footprint laws, where companies have to report of how are they taking those sustainable steps and innovations to make their product packaging more sustainable, and how will they track and report that as well. So there's just a lot of trends there. Whatever is happening in Europe in terms of legislation, I'm sure we can expect that a few years down the line in North America. So as Raflatac, we have solutions like Label Life, life cycle assessment, enable our customers to make informed decisions about the products that they're using, verifiable decisions about the sustainability impact of their labels.
That was great. Thank you so much, Anna.